Hello, this week in this video we'll see theme customization options for our 2017 theme. Here I am on blog page. I'm reloading this page and I'll go to customize. Here we can change the theme directly from here or also from manage themes admin page. Here we can change the themes. These are all the themes installed in our WordPress. It's displaying all the installed themes, and if you want to install any other themes, you can click on this WordPress org themes. It will display all these themes, and you can install these themes, and you can search based on the keywords previously what I did in installing themes video, and you can install activated from here directly. And site identity, here we can upload a logo, and site title, tagline. These are all from settings general tab. If you update it here directly, it will be updated in settings general section. And here I'll choose a logo. I'll upload a logo. And it's cropping. You can see here it's added this logo, and if I click on publish, these changes will be saved, and also you can choose a site icon. I'll apply a site icon. That will crop this to this image. It should be in a square shape. If you see here, it's updated with this icon. Here I have updated this logo and site icon, that is favicon. And if you want to display this title and tagline, you can display it or we can hide. This is the option for this theme 2017, and every theme is different, and these customization options are different for every theme. It's based on a theme. And the colors, you can choose this color options. I'll go with this light, and in custom I can choose the colors. Here if you see the difference, it's applying. I'll go with this default light. And header media, you can add a header media for this one. It can be a banner or anything. It's a header, and also you can upload multiple header images. You can randomize this header. WordPress will display one header image randomly, one image at a time as a header image. And the menus, we'll see menus in next video. These are the important things in WordPress menus, and also widgets. I'll see more about widgets in next video. How we can create these widgets. And home page settings, I have set a default home page, and you can update it from here also directly. This theme allows to update this home page settings from here, and I can choose, can set it back. I'm going with this static page, and here I made some changes. That's in site identity, applying a logo, and hiding this site title and a tagline, and also adding a icon, that is favicon. I'll publish these changes. These changes are published. If I close this customizer, here these changes are made. If I click on this logo, I'm on a home page. We are able to see these changes. I just added the logo. These are all the options available through customizer, and if it's a paid theme, it will be a lot of options. In the next video, we'll see more about navigational menus and widgets.